Hi, this is Will Bowen with today's JumpStart. Well, in about 20 minutes, this 1,000-seat hall is going to be filled, and I'm going to be delivering a keynote address on the complaint-free program for about 1,000 people. I'm really excited about it. I feel like speaking is what I was born to do, and I always enjoy the opportunity to do it. The other day, someone posted on a speaking blog that I'm on part of to learn about speakers. They said, "Will, could you please comment on this because we want to know what a really super successful speaker has to say about this." And it's funny when someone says that I'm successful at anything, I always think, I'm actually pretty ignorant at it when it comes to understanding how to do it. And I looked and I discovered that the really successful people I know don't ever feel like they've got it fully figured out. They always have that feeling like, man, I wish I fully understood this even better, because there's always so much more to learn and to understand. I remember one time I was sitting at the National Speakers Association and I was in a breakout session, and I noticed that someone next to me was writing notes furiously. Compared to everyone else, this person was just taking note after note after note after note. And I looked over, and the person was Brian Tracy, probably one of the most famous professional speakers who has ever lived. Ray Kroc said that as long as you're green, you're growing, and as soon as you're ripe, you're ready to rot. The pathway to success is a path. It's in the next book. It's watching the next how-to video. It's asking the next person. We can always get better at anything in our life. We can get better at our health, our careers, our relationships, our finances, and the secrets are out there. We just need to be an empty vessel and allow people to fill it up. I wish you were going to be here with me today. I'm looking forward to this. It's going to be exciting. I hope to speak someday and you be in the audience. Have a great day. Enjoy today, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.